Okay, here we have to give more stress to uh, landslides. What's a landslide? We have discussed earlier. Anyway, we can simply define as the movement, I mean the mass movement of rocks, debris, and soil from high altitude to low lying areas. So this is the mass movement of the rock and soil from a high range area to a low lying areas. There are number of reasons for these landslides. You know, landslide is not a simple uh, hazard. There is there are number of issues. The areas like uh, I mean the Ladakh and some of the northeast states of India. This is creating many issues. It lead to the loss of property and life. There are many reasons for this landslide. The earthquake move the crust of the earth, and what happened? The soil will be moved and eroded down. Flood is another reason, and over rainfall. Flood is the result of the over rainfall, which also lead to this landslide. Anyway, now the technologies are developed and improved. There are some modern technologies to stop the loss of life and property. So here, mitigation mechanism, which says about to reduce the loss of life and property due to the rainfall, sorry, the landslides, and some of the measures to check the landslides. So what is the mitigation mechanism says about? Firstly, we should have a mapping system of these landslide prone areas. A map should be prepared and given to the public to identify such areas. So that is the hazard mapping to locate such areas. So it is very easy to identify such areas. We can take the precautions before arrival of the monsoon and etc. Next, construction of retention wall is very important. I told you we got more technologies now, so we can construct the retention walls across such areas. So this wall made of the stone or bricks can check the movement of this mass movement of the soil in some extent. Then increase the vegetation cover to hold the soil. How to increase the vegetation cover? We should, I told you, plant more and more trees. The roots of the plants can hold the soil very strongly, which helps or which check the movement of the soil through the over rain or flood. And a proper drainage system should be maintained. So the rainwater can can be drained through particular areas, so which can avoid the landslides. Okay, now this is the time to wind up. Let's go through the important points that we have discussed. First, we have discussed the land. I told you it is only 30% of the total surface of the earth, and hence it is very important to protect the land. I told you all areas are not equally distributed by the population. Some areas are densely populated, and while other areas are sparsely populated, and some areas are not fit for any type of human habitation. There are many reasons for the distribution of the population. I told you the rugged topography, steep slopes, and plains, river valleys. These are the main reasons for the distribution of the population. And we discussed about the use of land. Land can be used for many purposes. The use of land actually determined by two factors: physical factors and human factors. Physical factors such as the topography, soil, climate, minerals, and availability of the water that we have discussed. Then the human factors which determine the use of the land are the population and technology. And the land can be divided into two: private individual land and community land. Private land means the land owned by a private individual. Community land means the land which is under a community or the community members. For example, the grazing land, burial lands, there all the community members are accessible commonly. Then we have discussed the conservation of land resources. There we discussed the afforestation. What is afforestation? Planting more and more trees, that is the afforestation. Then the reclamation, I told you. Then regulated use of the chemical, pesticides and fertilizers. We should check the overgrazing to conserve the land. And then we discussed the landslide. What is the landslide? The mass movement of the rock, debris and soil to the downward areas or low-lying area from and high altitude. There are number of reasons for the landslide: earthquakes, floods, volcanoes, and sometimes over rainfall. I told you this is also reason for the landslides. And we have discussed the mitigation mechanism, which says about how to control the loss of property and life, and how to check the landslide with modern technology. There we discussed the hazard mapping, construct the map to locate the landslide prone areas and construct the retention walls, increase the vegetation cover to stop the landslide, and we should have a well drainage system to avoid the landslides. Okay, these are the topics that we have discussed today. Anyway, this is the time to wind up. If you got any doubt, don't forget to ask. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.